Alright guys, real quick, I'm wrapping up this transmission. I got it in, the transfer case on, finna bolt up the drive shaft for the front and the rear and top off the fluid. Remember guys, this is an 8-speed ZF transmission. This is the field port right here, and it's measured by temperature. I don't know what it's in it, so I'm gonna have to bring the transmission up to normal operating temperature and follow the procedure, the field procedure. Alright, now in the comment section guys, a lot of guys suggested I remove the exhaust to get it out easier with the transfer case in. I want to show y'all something. No. We definitely wasn't going that route. I was not offended to even disturb this exhaust at all. Okay, yes, so I'd much rather fight with this transfer case than to mess with that exhaust. So I chose this route, and I'm not done, guys. I'm just wrapping it up. So I'm looking things over. Like I say, I got it installed. And guys, be careful with this. All right, this line, it's a cooler line. If it was rubbing on this frame, I could have easily scratched a hole in it, and then it would have been a pain in the yin-yang to replace this line and going all the way to the condenser. All right, so be extra careful, guys.